Hi, my name is Jason with AlarmSystemStore.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to program the access codes on the Simon XTi-5 and what each one does. We'll be going over the installer code, master code, user codes, etc. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It helps us get the word about DIY security out to everybody. The more people that subscribe, the more people that'll see it. At the end of the video, we are doing another giveaway for these decals, so make sure you stay tuned for details on that. So let's go ahead and get to the table and we'll get started on the access codes. Alright, so changing access codes on the system is pretty intuitive. You're going to go to the system settings here on the bottom right, and you'll scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll see programming. So you'll go into programming. Now you'll want to enter first the installer code. So 4321, go into there. Now this gives us this full menu here. If we go to access codes, you can see it gives us a dealer code, an installer code, which right now those are on the exact same. It gives us master code, and then the full list of user codes. And at the bottom you can see address code. And then there's a code size option as well. So let's compare this to what if we go into programming with the master code, which is still on the default 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still get the access code button, but when we go in there, we get just the master code, so no installer code or dealer code. We still get all the user codes. We get the duress code, but we do not get the code size. So basically the master code allows you to change pretty much all the relevant user codes for day-to-day use, but it's not going to allow you to make any major changes. So let's go back, enter programming with the installer code, and just go through changing that. So we'll enter 4321, go to access codes, then you're just going to tap on installer code, and you can just start typing, or you can hit delete. Either way, let's change it to 9876. So it shows up right there. If you make a mistake, you can hit backspace and re-enter. Once you have it exactly how you want it, you're going to hit save. Now the installer code, you want to make sure that you know what that is, because if you don't have it and you need to make a change to the system in the future, maybe a sensor goes bad, you have to replace it, whatever the case is, it's going to make it a lot more difficult to do if you do not have your installer code. And really, knowing the installer code is almost more important than knowing your master code or any of your other user codes. Because with the installer code, you can always change the master code to something you know, or check to see what it is, and all the user codes. So once you have that, you can just close out. And we'll go back in with the master code, and again it's the same thing, but maybe we want to just change the master code to 6789, then hit save. Then you can add a user code 9999, hit save, and go down the list and add whatever you want. Now one thing you'll see here is the duress code. So the duress code is it's an interesting code. It's something you'll want to give to pretty much everybody that can use the system if you use the duress code. It's not used extensively, especially in residential cases, but what it does is if somebody, say, has you at gunpoint and tells you to disarm your system, you know, it's not going to be a normal case because most people break into your house and do it when it's empty. But let's say it happens, and you set your duress code to 1111, just like that. Your system's armed, you come in, somebody's got you at gunpoint, they tell you to disarm the system. You can enter 1111, it'll disarm the system, so everything will seem normal. But it will also send a panic signal to your central station, or if you're doing self-monitoring, it'll send to whatever you're using through alarm.com or whatever. So it's a way to kind of Send a help signal without endangering yourself if somebody is forcing you to do something on the alarm system. So that's all there is to the access code programming. It's really easy on the system, very intuitive. Alright guys, I hope you found that helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. And as I said, we are doing the giveaway on these decals. We're giving away 5 decals to 5 different people. To win them, all you have to do is comment on the video within 1 week of our posting date. So if there's more than 5 people that post, everyone has an equal chance of winning, and we'll be announcing those by replying to your comment in 1 week. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.